In this video, we will learn how we can easily create a logo on Adobe Express using the templates. So on opening, just type logo here and press enter or click here. The size is 500 by 500 because we are showing a template. These are the premium ones, paid ones. If this is not visible icon, that means it is free. Like this is free, this is also free. Okay, I'll just quickly create it. Click here. Okay, so here it is. I'll just name it. I'll just double click here and type Studiopedia. Here it is. I'll now type. The slogan is never stop learning, but it will exceed the size, no problem. I'll just select it, Control A, and resize it. Okay, this looks fine. It's great. I'll just remove this, right click and delete, and I'll add an icon. Add an icon. How to find an icon? Click on elements, go here and type icons. And herein I'll type study, let's say, because it's a study website, my website. Okay, this looks great. Or a book directly. This is fine. Fill, black. This looks fine. Okay, this looks fine now. Or we can select this and check the color. Which color is this? Okay, this is the color. Right click, copy. Now I'll go here, select this, and I'll go for fill, custom, and I'll just right click and paste it. Press enter. Now the color is same. Here it is. So our logo is ready. Just click on download and click on download. We have downloaded it in PNG format. We forgot the name. Type Studiopedia logo. Sorry. Okay, now I'll download it again. PNG, you can use any format, but PNG is fine for logos. Herein, right click and click open. Here it is. We have our logo here. We quickly created it using a template on Adobe Express. Thank you for watching the video.